Well, great to see you on this Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi today. Rise and shine up in Adam. We're walking out to 82 degrees. A little bit of cloud cover out there. Wind out of the south and southwest at 13 miles per hour. That's been the story over the last several days with this westerly, southwesterly wind bringing in all the moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. And sure enough, we have more shower activity out here in the Gulf of Mexico on this Tuesday morning. And these are areas of little disturbed weather around this low pressure system that's to our north. Now, as far as what's happening on our local radar, not much to show you here. We did have a light shower around Casey Key and Osprey, around Blackburn Point Road not too long ago. Looks like that has finally fizzled out, but there's still more shower activity in the Gulf of Mexico that will swing in our direction as we go through the morning hours. And then this afternoon, I think the heavier showers and maybe some thunderstorms could take place inland. So another warm and humid day on tap for us. And once again, watch out for those rip currents if you're planning to go to the beach today, because they are pretty strong. Now, again, the culprit here, and this has been happening for several days now, this area of low pressure to our north, it's spinning around counterclockwise, continuing to whip around and bring in that moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. And that's what's happening, and that's what's been happening for a few days, but this is eventually going to move away. Area of high pressure to our south is going to come in, bounce that area of low pressure out of here, but still we're going to continue to get more of a southwesterly flow that will bring in more showers throughout this week. So it looks to be kind of a wet week for us. This is kind of an aggressive future cast here, showing some really heavy showers and storms around Arcadia in the mid-morning hours of this morning, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. But as far as the rest of the day goes, some scattered showers in nature, and the heaviest stuff most likely will be inland for today. Tropics looking pretty good. Nothing to show you here. We are in the middle of hurricane season now, and nothing to show you on this graphic, and that's what we like to report. As far as the beach and boating forecast, once again, we can't stress this enough. We have strong rip currents, so just look out for that if you are planning to go to the beach today. Southwesterly wind at 15 knots, so making the seas a little choppy if you're taking your boat out. Seas anywhere from 2 to 4 feet with a moderate chop in the bays and inland waterways. And the temperature today at the beach will be around 87 degrees, which is the same as the water temperature. High today in Sarasota, 88, maybe a little warmer in some locations, not by much. Average really is low 90s at this time of the year, but it will feel close to 100 degrees. So breaking down the 7-day outlook for you as we get into tomorrow and Thursday, basically the same forecast for the next several days. Now Friday, maybe a little lull in some of these showers, but still we are going to have our share of shower activity for the next several days thanks to this area of low pressure. And then once high pressure moves in, we're still going to get more of that southwesterly flow to bringing this moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. So that's what's happening here. We have more of this southwest westerly wind that continues to bring moisture here off the Gulf of Mexico to bring us the clouds, the showers, and just the muggy conditions throughout the next several days.